Well, there's one more controversy which is now brewing, and this is after the CMD or Larsen and Toubro suggested, and he made this comment that people should also work on Sundays. In fact, he asked this question: what do the wives and husband need to do sitting at home looking at each other? Remember a few years back, Narayan Murthy had also made a kind of a similar comment when he said that people should at least work 70 hours a week, and this increases the productivity. It also makes the people energetic. The Larsen and Toubro CMD's comment has also been made on the ground that this is going to be good not just for the health of the company and also increase the hours, but it will also be good for the people who are working in the companies, and that people should not waste their time just sitting at home. As expected, this has led to much outrage, but one of the strongest responses has come in from Deepika Padukone, who's saying that it is so horrible that someone as senior as him is making this kind of a comment. And she then applied a hashtag that mental health matters. Deepika Padukone has gone public with her own mental health issues, and she's always set up a trust and also spoken to people about the fact that how depression is a reality, people must acknowledge and accept it and must learn to deal with it. Connected with this is the entire idea that everyone needs a break. Every employee needs a break, which can be in ways of the weekends off, taking regular holidays, so that people can spend time with their family and they can re-energize themselves. These are the big issues which have always been raised, especially those who are involved in mental health issues as well. Deepika Padukone, when she made this point, also made the point that if someone as senior as him makes this an issue that people should be working on Sundays, it is something which is absolutely unacceptable. You know, in India, there's this whole concept of now taking a 5 day week. There have been many advocates of why does anyone need a 5 day week? One should work round the clock. But there has been increasing awareness, especially with the mental health issues becoming a big thing in our country, that it is important that people should take breaks and spend quality time with their family. But when someone as senior as, say, a Narayan Murthy or the CMD of Larsen and Toubro makes this kind of a comment, it certainly leads to much outrage over the social media timeline. In fact, increasingly, companies are encouraging the employees to take breaks, to take some time off. In fact, some companies are also holding workshops or therapy sessions inside the premises of the companies just to ensure that people do get that break, because they feel that in the long run, it actually increases their productivity, and mental health is a big issue.